So we already balanced this tire, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just check it for road force. So whenever you wanna do a road force balance on something, guys, the main thing is you see this load roller, the image of the load roller has an X on it now because we are not currently doing road force. So if we would like to check the road force on this wheel assembly, we're gonna hit the load roller one time till we see road force. All right, if we're doing a set of 4, you're gonna do road forcing with straight track. All right, same thing, we're gonna just drop the hood. It's gonna ask us if we've checked the inflation. Tire has been set to manufacturer spec. We did that before, all right? So go ahead and hit yes. All right, it's gonna spin away. So we're gonna check the balance first, and then it's gonna apply the load roller. All right, so we know that's good. Now it's gonna apply the load roller. Good. All right, so once again, we got 2 pounds of road force. This is a passenger vehicle, so you see how it says P limits there? P stands for passenger. So anytime you're doing a road force measurement on a passenger vehicle, you're gonna wanna make sure that that's set to P limits. If we were doing an SUV, okay, we would hit it, SUV limits. All right, Honda Pilot, maybe something crossover, Highlander, all right? Okay, light truck, maybe F-150, F-250, okay? All right, Chevy 1500, 2500, so on and so forth, all right? So nevertheless, for a passenger vehicle or for a light truck or a SUV, 2 pounds of road force is well within the safe limit, so it's definitely a rolling smooth assembly, okay? Now, if we were to pretend that this failed road force and it wanted us to actually do a road force, meaning take the assembly down, break it down and force match, I'm gonna go ahead and mimic that by hitting the road force button, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit force match. So you're gonna see a diagram pop up like this where we're gonna have the assembly with its current road force measurement, and it's also gonna tell you what it predicts that it can get it down to. So maybe if it has a road force measurement of 10, it'll predict that, what we think we can get it down to 4 or 5, all right? And in a situation like that, once again, it's hard to pretend because this tire is rolling perfectly smooth. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make that chalk line with our keel here, okay? All right, we're gonna make that here on the tire, all right? See that? Make that on the tire there. All right, then we're gonna hit servo, all right? Once you hit servo like that, then I'm gonna make the mark on the rim over here, okay? So now I have the 2 marks. Now we're gonna take the wheel off the balancer. We're gonna break it down, break the bead the way we normally. We're gonna let the air out, break the bead, and now we're gonna rotate the assembly till both marks on the rubber and the rim are perfectly lined up, okay? Now we're gonna reinflate the tire, get it back on the balancer. You're gonna take the wheel weights off of it if there's any on there, of course, and you're gonna go back and road force balance it again, all right? And you'll probably at that point notice a significant change, all right?